Welcome to my channel, where today we're stepping inside one of the most jaw-dropping creations in the luxury motorhome world, the 2026 Liberty Koach by Prevost. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a $5 million rolling palace on wheels, designed for those who want nothing less than perfection while traveling the open road. From its sleek exterior presence to its ultra-luxurious interior, every detail screams exclusivity, comfort, and wealth. If you've ever wondered what it's like to live in a motorhome that rivals the world's best penthouses, you're about to find out. Let's start with the kitchen, the place where Liberty Koach has redefined road dining. The kitchen is a masterpiece of elegance and utility, offering everything a chef could dream of while traveling. You'll find a full-size residential refrigerator with smart cooling systems, ensuring fresh produce and chilled drinks even during long hauls. The countertops are crafted from imported quartz with a flawless polished finish, adding sophistication and durability in one sweep. A state-of-the-art induction cooktop and built-in convection oven make cooking gourmet meals a breeze, while the whisper-quiet dishwasher keeps the space tidy without disturbing the peaceful ambiance of the motorhome. Cabinetry is handcrafted, featuring soft close mechanisms and backlit interiors, giving both beauty and practicality. The kitchen island provides additional prep space, complete with hidden drawers and a pop-up charging station. A deep stainless steel sink with a designer faucet, integrated water filtration system, and touch controls elevates even the simplest cooking task. To top it off, a wine cooler and smart coffee system ensure luxury beverages are always within reach. Every inch of this kitchen blends functionality with art, turning road meals into fine dining experiences. Now, step into the bedroom, the ultimate sanctuary for rest and relaxation. The Liberty Koach bedroom redefines comfort with a king-size bed that features an adjustable smart sleep system, tailoring firmness and support to your body for perfect rest. Premium Italian linens and a custom leather headboard create a sense of indulgence that rivals the finest hotels. The room is designed with layered lighting, from soft ambient glows to adjustable task lighting, setting the mood for any occasion. Automated blackout shades ensure complete privacy and restful sleep, no matter the time of day. The walls are wrapped in soundproofing technology, creating a bubble of serenity even while the motorhome glides down the highway. On one side, you'll find a massive wardrobe with motion sensor lighting, customized shelves, and climate-controlled drawers for delicate garments. At the foot of the bed sits a 65-inch smart OLED TV, connected to an advanced surround sound system, perfect for late-night entertainment. Climate control systems allow you to customize the temperature with precision, while built-in aromatherapy diffusers add an extra layer of relaxation. This bedroom isn't just a place to sleep. It's a luxurious retreat that recharges your body and soul. Moving on to the bathroom, prepare to be stunned by how much elegance can be packed into this space. The bathroom boasts a full-size spa shower, lined with imported marble tiles, and equipped with both a rainfall shower head and multi-jet body sprays for a rejuvenating experience. The vanity is a work of art, with dual sinks carved from a single piece of stone, complete with touchless faucets and LED backlit mirrors. There's more than enough storage thanks to custom cabinetry, and the heated floors bring cozy warmth underfoot. Even the toilet is high-tech, offering smart functions with self-cleaning and eco-efficient systems. A heated towel rack ensures you step out of the shower into comfort, while built-in dehumidifiers keep the space fresh and fog-free. Ambient lighting, aromatherapy integration, and whisper-quiet fans create a spa-like environment that feels more like a private wellness retreat than a motorhome bathroom. Every feature is designed to pamper, combining beauty, innovation, and comfort in perfect harmony. Finally, let's talk about the 2026 Prevost Liberty Koach as a whole. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. a declaration of freedom fused with ultimate luxury. From advanced safety features and powerful performance under the hood, to the handcrafted interiors that rival royal palaces, Liberty Koach has once again proven why it stands at the very top of the motorhome world. Whether you're traveling across states or hosting guests in motion, this motorhome turns every journey into an unforgettable experience. So, what do you think of this five-manteless rolling palace on wheels? Would you call it the future of luxury travel? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this tour, and subscribe for more exclusive looks inside the world's most luxurious rides. Côté Theatre.